Indian economic updates. There was a time when India was counted among the world's most prosperous and powerful nations. A major foundation of India's prosperity was its maritime strength. However, after independence, that glorious legacy was largely neglected. But this is the new India. The new India is setting new milestones in maritime infrastructure. Over the past decade, the Indian government has worked continuously to strengthen the entire maritime infrastructure ecosystem. The capacity of India's major ports has doubled during this period. India's vision for progress is bringing visible transformation on the ground, and these efforts have also advanced the mantra of speed and productivity. India is also modernizing its coastal shipping network. The development of inland waterways in India is bringing about a major transformation as well. History stands witness that whenever India's maritime capability has been strong, both the nation and the world have greatly benefited from it. With this belief, over the past 10 years, India has been working in a planned and systematic manner to empower this sector. As bold as the spirit of Mumbai itself, the city now receives a gift truly worthy of its name: the Navi Mumbai International Airport. India is the third largest domestic aviation market in the world. It is also investing in world-class airport infrastructure. The Navi Mumbai International Airport, vast like the heart of Mumbai, crafted with elegance and artistry like a blooming lotus. Its digital art program is sure to capture our imagination. It features 4 passenger and cargo terminals with the capacity to handle 90 million passengers and 3.25 million metric tons of cargo annually. It can generate 39 megawatts of solar power. This airport will be India's first true multimodal aviation hub, integrating new metro lines, suburban rail, high-speed rail, and water taxis. The Navi Mumbai International Airport will be connected to South Mumbai through a fast and signal-free corridor, and further linked to the Mumbai Coastal Road via the Sevrivali elevated link. The Mumbai-Hyderabad high-speed rail will pass through the eastern zone of the airport. All of this is being developed with an investment of 1 lakh rupees crore, creating over 1 lakh employment opportunities. Between every arrival and departure, India is preparing to become a $5 trillion economy. With 2 international airports, Mumbai and Navi Mumbai together are set to become a global aviation hub. In its first phase, the airport will feature a capacity of 20 million passengers, 800,000 metric tons of cargo, and 1 runway. This magnificent airport is now dedicated to the nation. India's journey toward becoming a developed nation is not limited to education and research. It is progressing just as rapidly in core infrastructure sectors such as roads, electricity, and railways. Odisha has been granted railway projects worth over 1,700 crore rupees. These include the foundation stone laying of Sambalpur City Sala flyover worth 273 crore rupees, the 34-kilometer Koraput-Biguda line worth 481 crore rupees, and the 82-kilometer Manbar-Koraput-Gorakhpur railway line doubling project worth 955 crore rupees, which is being dedicated to the nation. In addition, the Brahmapur-Unna, Surat, Amrit Bharat Express will also be launched. Together, all these projects will give Odisha a new identity and accelerate the pace of development in the state. The Indian Institutes of Technology, IITs, have been the foundation of the nation's progress for decades. The 23 IITs established across the country have become pillars of a developed India, prosperous India, and the Make in India vision. In the past decade, 70,000 new seats have been added for students in IITs. Continuing this journey with new momentum, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the expansion of 8 IIT campuses with an investment of over 11,000 crore rupees. This project will provide 12,000 additional students the opportunity to study at these premier institutions. As part of this expansion, new academic blocks, hostels, sports complexes, campuses, and smart buildings are being developed, along with state-of-the-art research parks at a total cost of 800 crore rupees. These research parks will cover an area of 1,20,000 square meters, serving as an extraordinary bridge between industry and academia. Through this initiative, major companies and research institutions will be able to establish their research labs and units within the IIT campuses. In addition, to enhance the quality of technical education in the states, a new initiative titled Multidisciplinary Education and Research Improvement in Technical Education is being launched with an investment of 4,200 crore rupees. This program will help prepare the youth for future technological challenges by improving education standards across the states. Under this project, 275 engineering and polytechnic institutes across different states will be developed as model institutions.